Next problem is, if capital N is the number of different paths of length 12 which leads from A to B in the grid which do not pass through capital M, then the value of greatest integer of n by 10 where box is denoted by greatest integer function is. So we know this length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. That means length of shortest path is 12. So we have to find shortest path from A to B which do not pass through M. So this we can find out total path minus the number of path which is passing through capital M. So total path. We can go horizontal or vertical. So this is horizontal, 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 vertical, 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 vertical. So we can go by horizontal, 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 then vertical, 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 vertical. In second case, we'll go horizontal, then vertical, then horizontal, then horizontal, then horizontal, then horizontal, then horizontal, then vertical, 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 vertical. So this case will come out horizontal, vertical, horizontal, 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 then vertical, 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 verticals. So we can say this is nothing but what? Permutation of 6h and 6v's. That is 12 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 6 factorial. So this will come 12 factorial, we can add 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Divided by 6 factorial, we can add a 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 6 factorial. 6 factorial getting cancelled. 12 divided by 6 is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 9 divided by 3 is 3, 8 divided by 4 is 2, 10 divided by 5 is 2. So we'll get what? 11 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 7. So this will come out 924. Next is total number of shortest path from A to B which pass through capital M. So we'll join these two. So this is equals to, we can say, total number of shortest path from A to M into total number of shortest path from M to B. So total number of shortest path from A to M. So A to M we can go by horizontal, 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 then vertical, vertical, vertical. So total number of shortest path from A to M is permutation of 3h and 3v's into, so total number of shortest path from M to B. So M to B we can go by horizontal, 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 vertical, vertical, vertical. So total number of shortest path from M to B is permutation of 3h and 3v. So this will come out 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial. So this will come out 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 into 2 whole square. So here 3 factorial getting as a 3 into 2 is what 6 getting cancelled. 5 into 4 is what 20. 20 square is what 400. So total number of shortest path from A to B which do not pass through M is equals to total ways from A to B minus total ways from A to B which pass through capital M. So total ways what 924 minus total ways from A to B which pass through M is 400. So N equals to 924 minus 400, that will come 524. So greatest integer of N by 10, that means what greatest integer of 524 divided by 10. So this will come what greatest integer of 52.4, that is 52. This is your answer. Next problem is a man has 3 friends. If capital N is number of ways he can invite one friends every day for dinner on 6 successive nights, so that no friends is invited more than 3 times, then the value of N by 170 is. Now solution. So a man has 3 friends. Suppose A, B and C. So A, B, C are invited 6 successive nights for dinner. So maximum we can invite one friend 3 times. So total number of way is number of way inviting one friend plus number of way inviting 2 friends plus number of way inviting 3 friends. First case is number of way inviting one friend all 6 days. That is not possible because we can invite maximum 3 times. So this is not possible. Next is number of way inviting 2 friends. So first we have to select 2 friends, that is 3C2 ways, that is 3 ways. Suppose we are selecting 2 friends A and B. Here A and B can be invited by A is invited 1 day, B is invited 5 days. This is not possible. Similarly, A is invited 2 days and B is 4 days. That also not possible. Similarly, A is invited 3 days and B is invited 3 days. This is possible. Suppose A is invited 4 days and B is 2 days. This is also not possible. Similarly, A is invited 5 days and B is 1 day. This is also not possible because one friend can be invited maximum 3 days. So these 2 cases are not possible. Only one case is possible. So out of 6 days, we can invite A in 3 days and B 3 days by 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial ways. So this will come out 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. So this will come out 20. So total ways 3 into 20, that is 60 ways. So this is 60 ways. Next is total number of ways inviting 3 friends for 6 dinner. So that is E, B and C. So we can invite A, B, C for 6 dinner, like A is invited 1 day, B is invited 2 days and C is invited 3 days. Similarly, A can be invited 2 days, B is 3 days and C is 1 day. Similarly, A can be invited 3 days, B is 1 day and C is 2 days. Or A is invited 2 days, B is invited 2 days and C is invited 2 days. Now 6 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. We have to divide into 3 groups, which is 1 day into 2 days and 3 days. So that can be done by 6 factorial divided by 1 factorial, 2 factorial and 3 factorial. Now these 3 days we have to divide into 3 friends A, B and C, that is 3 factorial ways. So this is what 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So this is what 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. So 6 into 5 is what 30 into 4 into 3 is what 12. So this is what 360. Next is these 6 days we have to divide into 3 groups, 2 days, 2 days and 2 days. So that can be done by 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. These 3 groups are same, so we have to divide it 1 by 3 factorial. Now these 2 days, 2 days, 2 days we have to distribute into ABC friends, that is 3 factorial ways. So if I simplify this one, 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2. So this is what 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 is what 4, getting cancelled. 2 by 2 is what 1. So this is what 6 into 5 is 30 into 3, that will become 90. So total ways of inviting 3 friends is 360 plus 90. So this is what 450. So here we are inviting exactly 3 friends. So total ways is exactly 2 friends invitation is what 60 ways plus exactly 3 friends is what 450 ways. So total is 60 plus 450, that is 510. This is your answer.